Today is making a classic French toast recipe. Ingredients: 4 slices of bread, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter melted, cinnamon or nutmeg for sprinkling. Instructions: in a shallow dish, whisk together eggs, milk, sugar, and salt until well combined. Heat a nonstick skillet or griddle over medium heat. Dip each bread slice into the egg mixture, coating both sides evenly. Place the coated bread slices on the pan. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side or until golden brown. Repeat with remaining bread slices. Serve warm, sprinkled with cinnamon or nutmeg if desired. Enjoy with your favorite toppings such as maple syrup, fresh fruit, whipped cream, powdered sugar. Variations: add vanilla extract or cinnamon to the egg mixture for extra flavor. Use different types of bread such as challah or brioche. Add sliced bananas or strawberries to the egg mixture for added sweetness. Try using different types of milk such as almond or soy milk. French toast calories vary depending on ingredients. Portion size and cooking method here is an approximate breakdown. Classic French toast, 2 slices. Calories 250 to 300. Fat 10 to 12 g, 15 to 20% of daily value. Carbohydrates 35 to 40 g, 12 to 15% of daily value. Fiber 2 to 3 g, 8 to 10% of daily value. Protein 10 to 12 g. Sodium 300 to 400 milligrams, 10 to 15% of daily. Factors affecting calorie count: bread type, white, whole wheat, egg and milk usage. Syrups, toppings and fillings: maple syrup, butter, fruit, nuts. Cooking method: pan fried, grilled or baked. Portion size. Variations and approximate calorie counts: stuffed French toast with cream, cheese, fruit or nuts. 400 to 600 calories. Banana Foster French toast, 500 to 700 calories. Cinnamon roll French toast, 550 to 750 calories. Vegan French toast with plant-based milk and egg substitute, 200 to 350 calories. Tips to reduce calorie count: use whole wheat or whole grain bread. Choose egg whites instead of whole egg. Opt for lighter topping, fresh fruit yogurt. Bake instead of pan frying. Control portion sizes.